Europe weather forecast, Monday, March 24, 2025. Synoptic analysis. The synoptic chart reveals an active weather pattern across Europe, driven by multiple low-pressure systems and frontal boundaries. A powerful low-pressure system near Iceland is pushing an occluded front towards the British Isles, bringing stormy conditions. Another low-pressure system over the North Sea is driving unsettled weather across northern and central Europe. High pressure over northern Russia maintains stability in Eastern Europe, while another high near the Azores influences southwestern Europe. A developing low-pressure system over the Mediterranean could bring instability to Italy and the Balkans. Rainfall. Persistent rain is expected across the UK and Ireland, with the heaviest showers in Scotland, Wales, and Western England. France and the Benelux region will see scattered rain, especially in the north. Germany and Poland will experience widespread rainfall, with some heavy downpours in northern Germany. The Alps will see snowfall at higher elevations. In the Iberian Peninsula, northern Spain will see light rain, while the rest of Spain and Portugal remain mostly dry. Italy will experience rain, particularly in central and southern areas, with thunderstorms developing in the Balkans, affecting Serbia, Bosnia, and Croatia. Northern Europe, including Norway, Sweden, and Finland, will see a mix of rain and snow. Western Russia will also have light precipitation. Temperature. A contrast in temperatures is expected across Europe. The UK and Ireland will stay cool, with highs between 8 degrees Celsius and 13 degrees Celsius. France and the Benelux region will be slightly warmer, with highs of 10 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. Spain and Portugal will be among the warmest, with highs ranging from 14 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius. Germany and Poland will have temperatures between 9 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius, while Switzerland and Austria will be colder, particularly in the mountains where temperatures may not exceed 6 degrees Celsius. Italy will see temperatures between 12 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees Celsius, the Balkans between 11 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, and Greece and Turkey will enjoy highs between 17 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius. In Northern Europe, Norway and Sweden will see temperatures ranging from 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, while Finland and the Baltic states will remain colder, with highs between 0 degrees Celsius and 6 degrees Celsius. Moscow will see temperatures around -2 degrees Celsius, while Kyiv will be milder at 9 degrees Celsius. Winds. Strong winds are expected across several parts of Europe. The UK and Ireland will see gusts exceeding 70 km per hour, particularly along coastal areas. The North Sea region, including the Netherlands, northern Germany, and Denmark, may also experience gusty conditions. In Scandinavia, strong winds will accompany rain and snow, especially in western Norway. Central Europe will see moderate winds, though gusty conditions may develop in areas experiencing thunderstorms, particularly in the Balkans. Southern Europe will generally have light winds, except for moderate coastal breezes in Italy and Greece. Safety tips and advisories. Heavy rain and flooding. Avoid traveling in flood-prone areas, especially in northern Germany, Poland, and the Balkans. Drive cautiously as roads may be slippery and visibility reduced. Stay updated on local flood alerts and warnings. Strong winds. Secure loose outdoor objects in coastal areas of the UK, Ireland, and the North Sea region. Avoid unnecessary travel in stormy conditions, as strong winds may disrupt transport. Be cautious of falling branches and debris, especially in urban areas. Snow and ice. In the Alps and Scandinavia, travelers should prepare for icy roads and possible snowfall disruptions. Use winter tires and drive carefully in affected areas. Dress warmly and stay indoors when wind chills are severe. Thunderstorms and lightning. Avoid open fields and tall objects in storm-prone areas, particularly in the Balkans and Italy. Unplug electrical devices during thunderstorms. If outdoors, seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay informed through local weather updates and take necessary precautions for changing conditions.